Hi everybody, Midnight here, and today I finally got the Galaxy Buds Plus, and these are the red ones. I was trying to make a decision because I already have the regular black Samsung earbuds. I already have the regular black ones, so I wanted to get either white, red, or blue, or yellow. So I went with red. I went with red. So let's see. Got my trusty knife. On these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. They're the Buds Plus. So let's get into this unboxing. A lot of wrapping here. That's okay. And here we are. These are the Galaxy Plus. Galaxy Plus. So Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Let's see. Let's see. We can read it. 11 hours of playtime. Two-way speakers for rich sound. Triple mics for clear calls, and it has wireless charging. Oh wow. Now let's unbox these. I don't believe I did an unboxing on those, and I'm sorry if I didn't. I was just such in a rush to get them, so yeah, I don't believe I did an unboxing on them. But I'm doing an unboxing on this one. So that is a really sharp knife. It's good for opening boxes. So here we go. Little manuals. Yeah, I believe they're manuals. So let's see what we got in here. I think these are the let's see what's in here. It's hard to get out. There's the C cable. I love these C cables. They charge faster. And then here is the changeable wristbands and buds, but we're gonna leave those in there. I'm not gonna use them right away though, because they're gonna fit just like these. So here's the charge cable. Now, the moment of truth. Take this plastic off of them. Oops. Oh, look at that. Yeah, they're really shiny compared to these. See, these are the original. These are the original Samsungs, and these are the Plus. So let's go ahead and open them up. Wow, look. Oh, they're beautiful. These are really good earbuds. I like the dark red inside of there. Look how shiny they are. I'm so glad I went with the red. These are really nice. Yeah, these are awesome. These are really nice buds. So they, anyway, they're supposed to have longer charge time, better sound quality, and better cancellation and stuff like that. And I just wanted an unboxing. I'll do a tutorial and see how better they are from these. I'll do a versus between these two later. I just want to do an unboxing, and I'm going to listen to them and review and give the review between them, and I'll tell you guys later in the other video. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, please rate, please subscribe, and go follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Support us on Patreon, and may the Spirit of the Wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Okay, everyone. Bye.